This is Sahana, your teacher for this session. So look at the question. Which process changed the frequency of certain genes over a generation in a population? So there are certain possible set of processes which could change the allelic frequency of certain genes in a population. It could be due to genetic mutation, gene flow, genetic drift, or even natural selection. So let's look into the individual process. The first one is genetic drift. Now this is a change in the allelic frequency that happens due to a random chance. So in this particular example, you could say that there is a population of beetles with two variations, two varieties in fact, that is beetle with stripes on the body and unstriped beetles. Now suddenly a random chance here in the example is volcanic eruption, or let's say there is a fire catcher. Okay, so when such random chance occurs in nature, here in this case the volcanic eruption, and you could see it leads to the destruction of striped variety of the beetles, which leads to the decrease in the allelic frequency of the striped variety and increase in the allelic frequency of the unstriped variety. So that is genetic drift. So what is it? A mechanism of evolution that occurs when the frequency of a gene variant in a population changes due to random chance. The second one is natural selection. So now in this particular process, the change in allelic frequency occurs due to natural selection. That means nature selects a particular variant to continue, reproduce and survive. So here in this particular example, you could see there is a frog which is consuming a large number of striped beetle, again which leads to the change in the allelic frequency of both the types. So nature chooses organisms that can survive and reproduce in changing environments. The next process is genetic mutation. A simple one, sudden inheritable change in the genetic material, and that leads to variation. So that can also change the allelic frequency. And the last reason here, or the process here, is gene flow. So here you could see there are two populations. The first population is having only striped beetles, and the second population there is having unstriped beetles. And you could see the striped beetle, one of the striped beetles is moving to the second population. So there is allelic frequency change in both the population. Okay, in both the population there is change in the allelic frequency. So what is gene flow? The movement of genes between populations can introduce new genetic variation. Thank you.